With the permission of the Honourable Speaker, National Assembly, I shall now read the court order authorizing the oath taking and subsequent appointment of the Chief Minister. میں عدالت کے احکامات پڑھ کے سنانے لگا ہوں. التماس ہے کہ سب اس کو غور سے سنیں. Para 16 of the court order reads as follows. For what has been discussed above and in the light of the directions, suggestions given by this court in the judgment and the law laid down by the Honourable Supreme Court of Pakistan, which are binding on the courts under Article 189 of the Constitution, this petition is allowed, and respondent number 1, which is the federal government, is directed to convey the Speaker, National Assembly of Pakistan, to administer the oath to newly elected Chief Minister of Punjab tomorrow, 30th of April 2022, which is today, at 11:30 a.m. at Lahore. This office of this court is directed to transmit this order through fax immediately to the office of respondent number 1 today. Signed by Jawad Hassan, Honorable Judge of the Lahore High Court, Lahore. I would now request the Honourable Speaker, National Assembly, to kindly administer the oath to the Chief Minister.